Oh. Wait, that said it was 105 miles. Too bad it's not 106 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark and we're wearing sunglasses.
None of those are applicable.
And then you're supposed to say, hit it.
Hit it.
Because that's my favorite movie.
Hit it. Where are we going?
The thumb.
So we actually thought today was our wedding anniversary, and it's funny because we were obviously wrong. It's tomorrow. Today's not our anniversary, but we're still taking a little trip.
Every summer we went there with my grandparents. They would always get a spot at the campground with their trailer, and we'd come up and go visit them. A lot of times my parents would stay at a motel, and my sister and I would stay with the grandparents. We'd hang out all day together, but then at nighttime, the parents would go back to the motel. And we'd always stay for like a week and bring our bikes, ride around town, and everything in that little town has stayed the same. A lot of the same stores after all these years, same restaurants, ice cream parlor. So it's nice to go back.
Driving me nuts. Why can't I just... I'm determined now. I'm invested. I want this to work.
Yeah, but we already have the solution.
It's not the solution. Now I look so tall. I'm going to reach that once I'm
My little T-Rex arms over here.
I think that Chris and I are both, we both have really big personalities. And the cool thing about us, in my opinion, is that we're both very different people. And we come from very different pasts. We have very different outlooks on pretty much everything. So we make a very interesting couple. That I think it's really cool to be able to document life. And even for us when we're old, to be able to look back on our marriage and our life as parents and the things that we went through, I think it'll be really cool to be able to re-experience that. So,
you tell me I am old.
He is old. He's older than me.
Technically.
But yeah, so that's a lot of where my inspiration comes from, is just to have fun with it. Just to have fun, document our lives, document our memories.
Fly drones.
Drive
fast cars. Just witnessed a conversation between my son's friend and the son's friend dad. That the kid was insisting that merch was not short for the word merchandise, and the dad was insisting that it was. And this conversation went on for a good several minutes.
When I was younger, I was doing some math homework, which was always like this really stressful event in our house. Like, math homework typically resulted in me and both of my parents sitting at the dining room table crying. Like, everybody's yelling at each other. But I remember this one time that I was insisting, and the sad thing is I think I was in middle school. Pretty sure. But I was insisting that a quarter of the hour was 25 minutes. So we keep making little stops here and there so Chris can fly his drone and test out his new camera. It's just so cute watching him play with all the technology. Just recording for the record. I'm telling Chris not to fly his drone over here because it's too windy.
Oh, for the record, huh?
For the record. He was advised against it from his wise wife. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, your wise husband told you not to stick your phone out the window. How'd that work out?
You did. I've also got a white script on it.
All right, there you go. No incidents.
So far we've had 2 drone crashes. I asked him if he thought he could fly the drone in between 2 trees, and he was actually doing a really good job, but then a gust of wind kind of came by and pushed the drone into a tree. So it looks like we're gonna be heading back home. We tried to find...
Turn left on Port Austin Road,
You're
then
not
take
done
the
yet?
first
No,
left.
I'm on a mission to try to find a beach without a million people that we can have the drone follow us. I'm not in any hurry to go home.
Babe. Do you know what WEDMIC stands for?
What, WEDMIC?
Uh-huh.
No.
Let's see if I know more than you about driving.
No.
Yeah, let's
No.
see. We're gonna have a
You
pop
can't
quiz.
brag. That's like me saying I've never been to jail. Listen, I take care of my children.
What does WEDMIC stand for?
You can't brag about.
What every driver must know. That's what WEDMIC stands for.
What is that,
And-
like the cover of the manual that they
Yes.
teach? So Robin, how many
We're
times
both
have you taken traffic school?
7.
And
And once in Arizona. That
and
doesn't count.
what's the limit for the amount of times a person can take traffic school?
In Michigan.
Yeah.
7.
Oh, here, pat on my back.
Listen.
Listen, Linda.
It's okay. It was an enriching experience for me.
It was an enriching experience. No, you know who got rich? The people that run the school.